Now, the Central Bank of Kenya has projected a growth of 6.2% for the economy this year, even with the interest rate cuts which the governor says are acting as a brake to the economy. The governor describes the growth as a baseline growth and is convinced that a combination of positive factors in the economy working in concert could make it even higher. Here's Alex Mwangi with the latest from the Central Bank in growth numbers.
Last year, economic growth was projected to come close to 6%. But is now expected to approach 5% once the fourth quarter figures are ascertained.
On a baseline sort of way, baseline meaning without any policy action, we are projecting growth for 2018 in the order of 6.2, right? 6.2%. But this actually, I have to tell you, is a baseline, meaning it does not include significant positive factors that we expect that could be expected to work or to be deployed in 2018. We did not project in there substantial growth in exports as one could expect arising from the SGR.
The significant positive factors that the governor is referring to include a combination of 4 factors, namely sound fiscal policies, the removal of interest rate caps, reforms in the banking sector, and improvement in the trade environment for businesses to thrive.
So far, the interest rate caps have been acting as a brake to the economy. I don't know if any of you have ever driven around with your brake still on. Eventually, something breaks.
The 6.2% growth projection represents robust growth for an economy that is far from attaining the growth targets envisioned in Vision 2030. I asked the governor if the CBK was becoming too ambitious.
So actually, we are in a pretty strong position. And actually, what we see more of is the upside risk, which we haven't incorporated in the 6.2. So in a sense, let's get positively surprised. We are not into, at least the central bank is not into this business of making projections as, to make a statement. We stand by our projections.
The central bank governor has defended the government's debt position, pointing out that his team does not perceive it as being unsustainable. Dr. Njoroge cautioned against the possibility of the nation resting on its laurels given its improvement in the World Bank's Ease of Doing Business Index from position 92 to 80 last year.
It's not an issue of where we fall, in terms of ranking. It's an issue of how are businesses affected. And in a sense, we need to improve that. That is essential in particular ways.
Alex Mwangi, NTV.